Hiya. Um, 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 Goot, and, right, and, but, forgive me for all the ums. I am so sorry, y'all. I am, your butter, lights and bitty blah, 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 and, so, but, I would, or it may not move. Like I said, I will show you guys versus telling you, but, for, or Christmas, one of the two, I don't know. But anywho, this, so, I'm just letting you know that's what we do over here. So, ooh, that smells so good. The rose clay soap, child. If this soap don't look like some deli meat, I don't know what it what it looks like. Look at that. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This